Hey, I'm Megan with WTI. When I am looking for a face cream, my main concern is this going to keep me moisturized all day? Well, I'm happy to report that this Day Night Moisturizer by InstaSkincare did just that. I've been using it day and night now, and I find that my face feels moisturized all day, even when I'm wearing makeup. It's got collagen in it, which when you're 40 like me, that is definitely a plus. I find it absorbs really well into my skin. In fact, when using it on my hands, I almost immediately feel the results and they look a lot younger. I really love the way this dispenses with its own pump. That way I do not have to keep dipping my finger into the cream while using it. It takes a lot for me to be impressed by face cream, and believe me, I am no expert, but I do find that this one really keeps me moisturized all day long, and I really do feel like it's given me more of a youthful, brighter look. And those are some major wins in my book, and that's my point of view.